coming in the game, I started rapping like a year ago. Dropped my first track on the 1st of April, yeah, I like a joke. Now I ain't been playing, coming for the high score for the game. You better be careful, DXP is coming with that flame.
Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Carter BX, and I'm back with another video. Hey, I know it's been a minute,
bruh.
You know, it's time for me to get back on the grind, you know what I'm saying, with the reactions. So, as y'all can see in the title, y'all already know what we're about to get into. But before that, if y'all know the channel, hit the sub button, like the video, comment, share, go crazy, put on post notifications. Still on the road to 1,000 subscribers, you know what I'm saying. We're at 335, I believe, at the time of this recording. So y'all can see we got Time Machine, Rich Brian, and Diamond Pistols. So yeah, man, let's get into it, man. You know, Rich Brian always comes up with bangers. So let's see what this one's about. Okay, we getting the mellow Rich Brian, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not just some chill, you know what I'm saying? It's a vibe, you know what I'm saying? It's those songs, you know what I'm saying? Just chill, you know what I'm saying? So let's get it, man. Hold up, let's get it.
Ay, don't know what to do with these memories. The ones that I love need that shit right. I know it's in the past, I don't give a fuck. It's called the present, but don't think it's what I want.
Hey.
Woke up with some feelings of nostalgia. Just not the kind that makes you smile. It felt more like 1,000 paper cuts. And the band, it ain't gon' fucking heal it up. Honeymoons with strangers, that shit was fun. I just wish I knew I missed it at the time. Give me that serotonin.
Alright. So the meaning behind this song, basically, so I can say the title, Time Machine. Wish you could turn back time, as he said in the beginning. There was a bar where he talked about he wished or he wanted like a Rolex that can turn back time, you know, since a Rolex is like expensive. I don't know why he used the term Rolex. We would have just said like a watch that can turn back time. But yeah, basically that's what it is, you know what I'm saying? But unfortunately we cannot turn back time, and it's on fire too, bro. And Rich Brian going in, bro.
I just wish I knew I missed it. Cause all my friends are locked inside and nothing get them back. I just wanna relive the past just for a second. Can you?
He's singing, man.
Invent a fucking time machine.
Yeah.
I'm trying to go to 2014. Don't know what to do.
Rich Brian, what's in 2014, bro? Can you let us know? Cause he said he like basically wants to build a time machine and take him back to 2014. I wonder what was back then in 2014, bro. You gotta let us know, man. Come on. And he's singing too, bro. Come on.
And you know this, man.
And the beat hard, bro. It be slapped.
This is for a second. Can you invent a fucking time machine? I'm trying to go to 2014. Don't know what to do with these memories. I need that Rolex that can turn back time. I know it's in the past, I don't give a fuck. It's not the present, but don't think it's what I want. I just wanna feel like I did just a couple songs back, feeling like I'm here. I'ma wash all the dishes when I wake up. All because you couldn't think about knowing about yourself. If you think that everyone's so worried about your health, if you worry about the past, I'm writing you a song. All you need is good and you gon' never be alone.
Facts, man. All you need is sometimes all you need, or most of the time, if not sometimes, all you need is a gun, you know what I'm saying? You never feel alone. Facts, bro. Those are just facts. Correct me if I'm wrong, you know, I'm just saying. That's why I said sometimes, if not most of the times. You know what I'm saying?
Give me that serotonin, baby. My brain been needing that serotonin lately. I need the key to open up the fucking past. Cause all my friends are locked inside and I can get them back. Invent a fucking time machine. I'm trying to go to 2014. Don't know what to do with these memories.
Yo, this chorus fire, bro. Hold up. I like the chorus, man. Not even gonna cap.
2014. Don't know what to do with these memories.
Don't know what to do.
That Rolex that can turn back time. The ones with the big wise ones. What I know is in the past, I don't give a fuck. It's not the present, but don't think it's what I want. I just wanna feel like I did just a couple suns back, feeling like I'm a kid again.
Is that it? Alright, that was Richard Brian, Time Machine. So it's Time Machine basically, Richard Brian and Diamond Pistols. I don't know who Diamond Pistol is or who they are. Probably made the beat. Most likely if it's like, because I think Rich Brian rap like both verses. But yeah, man, that song is actually fire. The beat crazy. I like the chorus, man. I like the chorus. Oh, and I was about to break down. Since he's talking about going back to time, but then he was like, in the chorus, he was like, I don't even give a fuck, you know what I'm saying? So either way, you know what I'm saying, I'm trying to go back, but I basically, at the same time, I also don't give a damn, you know what I'm saying? Because you gotta look at things both ways, you know what I'm saying? In life, you know, yin and yang type stuff. But yeah, hey, there was Rich Brian and Diamond Pistol, Time Machine. Song is dope, like the chorus, bro. The beat was fire, the verses were fire, bro. Shout out Rich Brian. Rich Brian, if you're watching this, man, shout out to you. As I said, if you're new to the channel, hit the sub button, put on post notifications. We're about to get on the grind on this YouTube, you know what I'm saying? 1K loading, okay, 1,000 subscribers. We gotta get there, you know what I'm saying? But hey, I appreciate y'all, you know what I'm saying, for tuning in, liking the video, commenting, sharing. Y'all are dope. Don't cap. Until the next video, it's your boy and I'm out.